Hello guys. My name is Varadarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to see about the carpentry process. Okay. So the carpentry process is one of the very important process in mechanical engineering. Particularly workshop practices laboratory. So previously this lab will be known as engineering practices laboratory. So in this particular laboratory, the carpentry is one of the very important experiments. Okay, because this experiment, this process, it will be useful for our day-to-day life. So that's why it will be called as a life skill experiment. Okay, so totally overall this particular lab also it will be considered as the life skill laboratory. Okay, so our students from the CSE department, Mr. Sujit and Vishnudev will going to elaborate and demonstrate about how the carpentry experiment is going to be done. Okay, we will hand over the session to students.
Carpentry is one of the major field we can use in making furnitures, joints, etc. It is called a temporary joint because it can be easily replaced. Now I am going to explain the tools we are using in carpentry. This is the wooden brush for cleaning the dust particles. This is a hammer. This is a tri-square we are using for this to make right angles. Chisel to remove the unwanted wood. This is a wooden pile we are using for smoothing the interior of the surface. This is a metal jack plane. We are using this for smoothing the wood. This is the ruler for marking dimensions in measurements, and handsaw for cutting the wood. Now we will explain about the demonstration.
This is the wood we use in carpentry. We use a smoothened wood to make our carpentry. First we need to fix it in the jack and we should smoothen it using jack. After smoothening it, we need to clean the dust particles above it. We are going to mark using the measuring scale and a pen. Now we need to cut it into two pieces. In this carpentry work, we are going to do two joints. One is cross joint and another one is dove joint. In this cross joint, we are going to mark it in the middle of the pieces. From the middle, it is totally 15 centimeter. We need to mark it at 7.5 and we make it as 4 centimeters. And we need to cut it wisely, and the extra pieces should be chiseled using a chiseler and a hammer, and the joint will be prepared. Now we go into dove joint. In this dove joint, one piece should be chiseled at the top and another piece should be chiseled at middle. We need to mark the same markings as we done in a cross joint. It should be 4 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Likewise, it should be marked at the top also. And after that, it will be made as joint.
Yeah, it's very wonderful. will be very good demonstration about the carpentry and its application, how it will be useful for our day-to-day life. And they are very much elaborately they are discussed about how we measuring about the T-joint and dovetail joint and cross-lock joint. How we just want to measure the according to the measurement, how we can cut the particular work pieces according to our various tool which can be used for this particular experiment. It is very wonderful job. It's a very amazing demonstration by our students. Thank you, students. Thank you.